Listen up, guys. What I'm about to share with you will sound impossible, but in the next 5 minutes, you can open up blood vessels that have been partially closed for years. More blood flow means more energy, more stamina, and yes, stronger, more reliable performance where it counts most. I'm Dr. Eleanor Bance, and today you're going to learn a simple protocol that's backed by real science that you can do anywhere, anytime. No pills, no prescriptions, no embarrassing doctor visits. Just your body doing what it was designed to do. Here's what most men don't realize. After 40, your blood vessels start to narrow, not dramatically, not enough to land you in the ER, but enough to steal your drive, your stamina, your confidence, you walking around with restricted circulation, especially in the smaller blood vessels down below, and you think it's just age. It's not, it's your vascular system quietly shutting down because it hasn't been activated the right way. The good news, you can reverse it. Starting today, your blood vessels aren't pipes. They're living, breathing tissue, and they respond to signals from your nervous system, your muscles, even your breath. The secret is a molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide tells the smooth muscle in your artery walls to relax, which opens up blood flow like a floodgate. More nitric oxide equals sign, more blood flow. Here's the game changer. You can trigger nitric oxide release in minutes using 3 simple techniques. When you stack them together, the effect is immediate and powerful. This 5-minute protocol works on 3 levels. 1, it triggers nitric oxide production, your body's natural blood flow enhancer. 2, it activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the system that promotes relaxation and opens your vessels. 3, it creates pressure changes that physically force your blood vessels to dilate. You're not just improving circulation, you're training your vascular system to work like it did 20 years ago. Let me walk you through it. This isn't normal breathing. This is precision calibrated for maximum nitric oxide production. Here's how it works. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, belly first, then chest. Hold your breath for 7 seconds, and here's the secret. Hum while you hold. That humming creates vibrations in your sinuses, where your body produces massive amounts of nitric oxide. Studies show humming can increase nitric oxide by up to 15 times. Then exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds, slow controlled. Do this 5 times in a row, that's 90 seconds. And you just flooded your system with circulation, boosting nitric oxide. Now we're gonna trigger what's called reactive hyperemia. That's a fancy term for a surge of blood flow after you release muscle tension. Here's the sequence. Glutes. Squeeze your butt as hard as you can like you're holding a coin between your cheeks. Hold for 15 seconds and then release. Feel that warm rush. That's blood flooding back in. Inner thighs. Press your knees together hard like you're crushing something. 15 seconds. Release lower abs and pelvic floor. Pull your belly button towards your spine. Tighten everything down there. 15 seconds release. This entire sequence takes 90 seconds. And it creates a powerful surge of blood flow straight to your pelvic region. Now we're going to massage your blood vessels from the inside. These movements create pressure changes that push blood through your system like a pump. Pelvic tilts. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Tilt your pelvis forward, arch your back. Hold 2 seconds, then tilt backward. Flatten your back, hold 2 seconds, do 10 cycles. Hip circles. Hands on hips, make big, slow circles with your pelvis. 5 circles each direction. Deep squats. Lower down, like you're sitting in a chair. Hold the bottom for 3 seconds. Stand up. Do 5 reps, another 90s. Your blood is moving. Your vessels are opening. You can feel it. Close your eyes. Picture warm, oxygen-rich blood flowing freely through your body. See your blood vessels wide open, delivering energy, strength, and vitality to every part of you. Focus on your pelvic region. Feel the warmth, the circulation, the power. This isn't just mental. Research shows focused visualization can actually increase blood flow to the areas you're thinking about. 30 seconds. That's it. You just completed the protocol, and here's what's happening inside your body right now. Your blood vessels are dilated. Nitric oxide is surging. Fresh, oxygenated blood is reaching areas that have been starved for circulation. You'll notice it in the next few hours. More energy, better focus, and yes, improved response when it matters. But this isn't just about today. Do this every morning, just 5 minutes, and within 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice something even better. Your baseline function starts coming back. Morning experiences return. Stamina improves. Confidence comes roaring back. By week 4 to 6, you're performing like you did years ago because you've retrained your vascular system. Hydration matters. Drink a big glass of water 30 minutes before the protocol. Thick blood doesn't flow. Dehydrated blood does. Empty stomach works best. Don't do this right after a heavy meal. Your blood is busy digesting food, not flowing where you need it. Use it anytime. Do this 15-30 minutes before you want peak performance. The effects last for hours. Add cold-warm contrast. After the protocol, alternate warm and cold water in the shower on your lower body. 30 seconds warm, 30 seconds cool. Do this 4 times. It trains your vessels to respond even faster. Stay consistent. Daily practice equals sign long-term improvement. This isn't a quick fix, it's a reset for your entire vascular system. Guys, this isn't about turning back time. It's about taking control. Control over your energy, your stamina, your performance. Your body is capable of so much more than you've been experiencing. You just needed to know how to unlock it. 5 minutes a day, that's all it takes. And the best part, you don't need pills. You don't need prescriptions. You don't need to feel embarrassed or defeated. You just need to show up for yourself every single day. Starting tomorrow morning, I want you to do this protocol. Set your alarm 5 minutes earlier. If you have to do the breathing, do the contractions, do the movements, and then pay attention. Notice how you feel an hour later, 2 hours later that evening. Do it again the next day and the next in 2 weeks. You'll feel the difference. In a month, you'll know it's working. And in 2 months, you'll wonder why you waited so long. Your vascular health is trainable, your performance is controllable, and it starts right now. This is Dr. Eleanor Vance. Now go take back what's yours.